It's a chomper. Lena.
You ready, Lean?
Lena, what are you doing today? What are you doing?
Horseback ride.
Horseback riding?
Alright, where's your helmet?
It's there.
Oh, here it is.
Want to meet the ponies?
You want to meet them? You want me to take your ponies out?
I know you wanted to ride Naya, but you want to meet Pops too?
Oh.
She's a Mustang. Ooh. So her mom was a wild Mustang.
You hear that, Lean? What kind of horse was Spirit?
A Mustang.
And then this is Pops. Just be careful. She's not going to kick. Well, he is related to him.
Wow, that's so cool. Did you hear that, Lean?
Great grandfather.
Did you hear that? That's cool.
I'm going to put Pops in the ring so he can eat more grass, and then we'll tap Naya up, okay? They don't kick, don't worry.
Yeah, no, that's all.
On the barn.
Okay, let's go.
That's why I was just like, what?
I've seen people get hit in the jaw with them.
See how it's coming off?
Wow.
Good.
And when you tack up a horse, you want to make sure you get where their saddle area is, so they don't get rubs and it's not dirty.
So for Lena's birthday, my brother got her kind of like a horse lesson. They're just, wow, look how pretty that one is. Can you see?
Wow.
So Lena's doing horse lessons today, and we're here, which is sweet. It's not that far from our house. So I'm just going to get everything to the point where I have my zoom available if I need it. That way I can get some long shots, and yeah, should be good times. Squad. And it's pretty sweet. I don't know, my camera's been so dark. I think my ISO is messed up.
And he's related to Seabiscuit, who's a famous racehorse. Want to show him?
Hi.
Hello.
Look at him standing up to the camera.
Hi. And she's going to a show June 3rd in New Jersey.
No, it's only 25 minutes from here.
Really? And she said that Lena could do a ride. It's only $8, and she might be able to find like riding clothes or something for her.
Oh, really? Cool. I'm gonna ride. I'm riding free.
But hold on, Lena. Can I see your foot?
Lena, you're on a real horse.
Yeah, he's not a pony. Come on, Pop. Put your heels down.
Doesn't it go faster?
Is the volume on?
I'm not sure.
Let me see.
So use your outside leg to push over, and then use the inside rein to pull them over.
Right, instead of turning with your hand, just pull it a little bit.
Stop. Hey. Bam, bam, here comes the man. That was sweet.
Yeah, that was
a cool experience, and I got to ride it. I was the horsey. That was cool. It was really, really cool. Lena, did you have fun? How much fun? Ouch.
so fun.
So
much fun? Do you think you want to do it again? Yeah?
What's going on, guys? So today I have a meeting with my advisor for school, and we're gonna go there, go to school for a second. I don't know what's our first meeting's like, but I would assume orientation, some type of, and then we're gonna go to hopefully we'll catch a skate park if the rain stays away. I broke my board last time, but I got Lena's board. Lena's My Little Pony board, so we're waiting for our new board to come in so I can design it, because I always get these blanks and then I just brand them. Put all my jazz on. We're going to go to school. Pretty hype. Hype. Like super muggy and hot out today. Ooh, I should bring extra eggs. I think I'm just gonna bring you guys along every time I was doing anything. This weekend we just kind of chilled out. It was family, Mother's Day, hanging out with my mom, hanging out with Monica. Sometimes I just like to relax and enjoy the time with the fam squad, so. And then we got some, we had to prep a lot of orders for the weekend for it to go out. And then, yeah, that was a lot of work because we did these new color palette. I called them the color palette collection. And it was basically like, it was like hand dyed. It's not tie dye. It's a specific, it's like a dyeing process that I don't know, I was just testing out one day and it looked cool and I was like, you know what, I think that's cool. So I put it out and all that good stuff. So yeah, and then did that prep step, all that stuff. So we're gonna head to Skill and then get everything saturated and all that good stuff. So I will catch you guys probably when I go to the skate park next, because after school I think I'm just gonna go get changed and then go to the skate park. Time. I brought like change of clothing, so I'll probably change over there, but hello. All right, that's the skate park. I'm all warmed up, so I'm just gonna start filming clips of the homies.
Fresh out the gate again, time to raise the stakes again. Back my plate again. Y'all cats know we always play to win. GNG to the stars, son. Haters took the too far, son. So that's all for you. I'm wiping out your whole team. Splatter your dreams with lyrics to shatter your schemes. The badder you seem, the more lies you tell. The more lies you sound. Now by surprise you fell into my death trap.
Alright, just got home. I am hype. Tomorrow school starts. I got classes tomorrow. Taking art history over the summer. It's just a 6-week class, so it shouldn't be too bad.
Hey.
What's happening? Oh, it feels so cool in here.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, they doing one.
What car are we taking?
The Ford.
Okay.
Wu-Tang. So, what do we got?
They want 2 money.
No, you keep it for your treat. All right, guys, we're gonna go to the dollar store. Lena was a good girl at school. She had a good report, so she gets to pick out some toys. And then we're gonna go meet with her father because I have to do my financial aid stuff and school stuff. All right, so I'm so hot and tired.
What are you doing?
I'm squatting.
Oh,
It's a new squat.
it is.
Yeah.
You're a good fitness girl. Look at her.
They got horses?
Really?
Yeah.
And what else?
I don't know.
Oh. Who was it that got it?
Well, I watch big stuff like there's boys and girls getting some stuff from Dollar Tree.
Oh, and you're excited?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
You can't believe what?
That I can't. Ooh, horsies.
What can you believe?
That I can get one more thing, and I just picked it.
That's what you picked? I like your selection, Lena.
The purple.
He has enough things.
Aww.
No?
Mom, I can get one more thing. This one.
Mommy loves clapping stuff. It's a chomper. Isn't that funny? Funny story, I was just, I saw a spider on my steering wheel. I went to hit it with my phone and it disappeared while I was driving. First try right here. Post in the comments below if you think that was first try. It wasn't. I'm done. I don't know why. I just love skateboarding. It's been so much fun lately. Trying to get back on the steez. But alright guys, I will probably end the video because I gotta get a lot of school stuff done right here, right now. I gotta apply for financial aid. I got to get, what do I gotta get? I gotta apply for financial aid. I got to pay for schooling. I have to pay some other bills. And yeah, slow work. So I'm gonna end the video here. Happy freaking Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but holla at your boy, guys. We love you so much. Holla!
And nothing's ever made me cry as much as you, I swear. Your smile gives me motivation and some new ideas. My worst fear was always you not knowing who I am. Cause I've been on the road, dream chasing for you out here. I was the first thing that you opened your eyes to, and the last one that you said goodnight to. I went home and cried to, and I bawled my eyes out and then watched you. Glad I got you, that's a blatant fact. And every negative thing I said, I swear I take it back.